This fixture here is for the intake illumination. It has a red and a green light on it. The original bulb looked like this. This is one of those incandescent bulbs that has a built-in reflector. So this guy sat in right here. And in order for it to get the orientation correct, this thing has these, this is a bayonet bulb base, and it has these offset knobs that stick out, these pins. So it forces you to put this in the only one way. You put it in here and then you push it down and turn it. That means that the reflector is going to shine out towards the front of the plane. So the only bulbs on an automotive car that actually have this offset pin layout are the tail lights for the brake light and the running light on a car. And those particular bulbs have two contacts on the bottom because you have different two filaments in the bulb. So we don't have that issue here, but you can't get a bulb like this with that same bayonet base that has a single contact at the end. So we did the next best thing. We ground off this pin right here. That leaves us only one pin right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this guy in. And the way you do this, the way you do this is that pin, this pin on the front, has to go towards the front of the plane, and then you push it down like a regular bulb. Let's see if I can do this here. There we go. Okay, so it's attached in there, and it does a pretty good pressure fit. This is a really high quality socket. You know, it's on an F16, so it's not it's not going to fall out. So then I just ran these wires out. I pulled out the transformer here. Again, that went from 115 volts AC at 400 hertz down to 6 volts AC to run this bulb. Okay, so if we turn this guy on, you'll see we're pretty bright. This is a white bulb because it has this cover here has some green glass on the side. So if you put this on, this guy's kind of a pressure fit. It's really difficult to get on with one hand, but I'll try it anyway. Okay, so this is going to sit up. This sits at the front of the plane near the right near on the intake. Get that over there. So we'll just turn this guy on. So this guy will illuminate green, and then the other side is red. So I fixed this guy up. So the only thing you need to remember on this is that when you put the bulb in, you have to grind off one of the pins. It doesn't matter which pin it is, and that pin has to be towards the front. You put it down and turn it clockwise.